Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look pretty crazy right now, but I don't know, like after doing the Valentine's Day collaboration video that I just did, I had all these juices of creativity like just in my head, and one of them is, well, was a painting like creation in my head. Now I'm obsessed with splatter paint, any type of graffiti art that has splatter paint or just any painting in general. Like I just love colors, I love paint. So for today's video, I kind of just transformed myself into a live painting pretty much. So we did a little bit of different type of shadow colors, and then we got some paint, splattered it everywhere, got it dripping everywhere, different types of textures, added some highlight. I used the KatVonD, what is this thing called? The Alchemist holographic palette, because it was just like perfect. So we have, it's just creativity, it's art. I love it. I love the way it came out, despite the fact that I have paint on my laptop and my mirror and my pants. I had to like literally remove my shirt because it was drenched in paint. So yeah, I have a big mess here, but did it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was so much fun to create. Like, I literally love the way this looks. So, on that note, if you guys want to see exactly what I did and how I did here, then just keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like creative art just like this, and that way I can keep posting. And yeah, let's get into this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. this kind of a better look. Close up, it's a lot better. My camera finished exporting, so yeah, now we're filming back onto the camera. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just taking some paint, going in with the different colors, and I'm just one little final finish. Glossy lids.